In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase items on Amazon using EMI or equated monthly installments. This is a fantastic way to manage your spending while still getting the items you need. Many people are discovering the benefits of spreading payments over a period, and Amazon has made this process quite straightforward. Let's dive into how you can make this happen, step by step. First, you'll need to find an eligible product. When you're browsing on Amazon, keep an eye out for items that offer EMI options. These items are often marked with a no-cost EMI tag or might be found under a special offers section on the product page. These indicators mean that the product qualifies for EMI, making your journey easier from the get-go. Once you've identified your desired item, go ahead and add it to your cart. Simply click Add to Cart as you would for any other purchase. After you've added everything you need to your cart, proceed to checkout. This is where the process starts showing its unique benefit compared to standard purchasing. At the checkout stage, you'll be prompted to choose your payment method. Make sure to select an eligible credit card or another payment option like Amazon Pay Later, which supports EMI. Checking whether your credit card offers EMI facilities on Amazon is key here, as it sets the grounds for the next steps. Following that, you might be presented with a selection of EMI plans. If these options are available, you'll get to choose a plan that best suits your financial situation. This could include different tenure lengths and interest rates. Picking the right plan is important, so take a moment to weigh the pros and cons of each option. Consider the duration and any potential interest rates, especially if it's not a no-cost EMI plan. It's all about finding a balance between affordability and convenience. After selecting your EMI plan, you'll come to the review and confirmation stage. Here, it's important to carefully review your order summary. Check any discounts that apply and be mindful of any interest charges. This is your last opportunity to ensure everything looks right before finalizing the purchase. After confirming your purchase, you're all set, and your items will be processed and delivered as per the usual Amazon timelines. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can make the most of Amazon's EMI options, managing your finances more effectively and spreading the cost of your purchases. Whether you're buying a big-ticket item or just a treat for yourself, EMI can be a smart choice. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel confident to take advantage of these payment options the next time you shop on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!